Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi device to Xiaomi 14 Pro. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of Xiaomi device and receive right next to Send at the bottom of 14T. Also on this Xiaomi smartphone, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files that you wish to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here some tip pop up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive button. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and simply point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!